Are you a homeowner? Do you want to earn money from your property? Generating income from your home can be achieved in various ways. Your property and lifestyle will influence what is suitable for you. We can help with the legal aspects. Simply sign up to our app and we will connect you to a dedicated lawyer in your state. At a minimum, your lawyer will consult with you and advise on local regulations, review applications and contracts, and help file permits and licenses. Depending on the type of business, common considerations include tax, insurance, and liability. Turning your property into a business will be challenging. A lawyer can help you lay foundations without defects that could damage your income and your home. If you go to court, your membership provides a legal defense at a 25% discount on your lawyer's rate. Hiring a lawyer may sound expensive, but with our mobile app and for less than $1 a day, we open the door to experienced lawyers and the justice system. A lawyer can be the key to a happy home. Take 5 minutes to sign up and join the millions we already empower across North America. LegalShield. Find your justice.